Mahal, you know we're not exactly childhood sweethearts. In fact, we met a little later in life when we were already in our 30s. By that age, I wasn't rushing anymore. I had built walls and learned what peace feels like. I had grown comfortable being on my own. But deep down, I held a more than a decade-old prayer that maybe, just maybe, someone would come along who feels like home. And then you came into my life, not with noise, not with grand gestures, but as a calm that felt familiar.
Mahal, dumating na din sa wakas yung araw na nakahihintay natin. Our wedding day. I still remember nung nag-meet tayo. I believe God gave me time to wait for you for 10 minutes more. Pero what if hindi ako nakapag-antay noon? Paano kaya tayo? Diba? But that question will never be answered. Pero may mga tanong ako sa buhay ko na sinagot mo nung dumating ka. You know my stories, my struggles, and I'm very thankful you always by my side. Never kang sumuko sa akin. Maraming araw na hindi ako naniniwala sa sarili ko. Alam mo yan. Pagod, pero never ending mo akong sinusukuan. Lagi mo akong sinasabihin na kaya mo yan. Hindi ko may papangako na hindi kita masasaktan or hindi tayo magkakasakitan. Walang luha o iyak. Pero isa lang yung mga pangako ko sa'yo. Nandito ako palagi. Sa tabi mo, haharapin natin ang magkasama.
Kapit ka lang sa akin, liputin natin mga bituin.
You're the one who understands me with a single look, who carries even my smallest details with care. What lifts me, what breaks me, including the moods I don't even always understand myself. You see me fully, without filter. You still choose me with the truest heart.
Na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatakbo. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Mahal, I picked this gift for you because I know you use it all the time and I hope every time you do, you think of me. Yes, of course! Today, today we start forever and I can't wait to see you at the altar and finally become your wife. Of course, ako pati eh. Don't be late. Don't be late, brother. Mga naman ako lagi eh. I get very myself. Love, bye. I love you. Oh, shit!
Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatok. Oh, tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon
front of God and the people we love most, I want to make you these promises. I promise to take better care of myself, to be stronger, healthier, so I can grow old with you, and see every adventure we've dreamed of. I promise to keep choosing you, not out of habit, but out of love, intention, and faith.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be.
3 years in the making, remember this is your first letter to me. Layo nang narating natin at mas madami pa tayong memories na gagawin. This gift is magagamit mo to take our time. Let's enjoy our journey together. See you later. I love you.
Take my hand and my promises. They're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. My life. For the rest of my life.
Michael, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
You're in my sight.
Pinapangako kong mananatili sa tabi mo sa bawat pagbabago, sa bawat panahon at sa bawat yugto ng buhay na sabay nating haharapin mula ngayon. Simula sa araw na ito, sa lahat ng panahon at pagkakataon, ikaw ang tahanan ng puso ko. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos sa paghihintay. Dahil ang dulo nito ay ikaw. Ikaw ang katuparan ng kanyang pangako, higit pa sa aking panalangin. I love you, mahal.
Find in another life. Take my hand and my promises. They're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to.
Hindi na ako takot sa lahat ng darating kasi alam ko kasama kita. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
My life.